If your problem is on how to play the guitar chord like G, so this channel is offering you offer to teach you a guitar chord. Just type guitar chord, then Sariaco Garcia, and then the Facebook will notify you if what guitar chord is available on this. Okay, so our topic for today is how to play the E7. This is the E7. This chord is only there are three E notes on that shape. One, two, and then open high E. One, two, then three. Three E notes. This is the E7. And we have another one shape of E7. This is almost the same sound because this is E7 also. E7 and then E7. And what about the guitar chord formula or the construct of this chord? 1, 3, 5, and then flat 7. The formula of this guitar chord. 1 is the E, and then the third is the G sharp, and then the fifth is the B, and then the flat 7 is the D note. And that is the construct, the E7 guitar chord. And we have another one shape of E7. So I hope you are follow on the 5th fret. First string and 6th string is muted, but the B note is omitted on that shape. You can see the B note on this shape. Unlike this shape. But the sound is almost the same. Okay? I hope you are follow to this lesson. And I hope you enjoy. Rock and roll.